Getting ready to bottle wine. Here's the bottler. Here's my tray that I put the bottles on after they're filled. There's the wine cork sitting in the sterilizer. Here's the bucket that has wine in it. There's the bottles in the dishwasher. I washed them yesterday. And this is the bottle filler, all sterilized and ready to go. And I just have to get the lid off of this, put the siphoning tube in there, and attach the bottle filler to the end of the other end of the tube, and start filling the bottles. There's the wine. I wish you could smell it. It smells great. This is a stainless steel mesh filtering tube to keep the sediment from going in the bottles. And this is the siphoning tube. That's going right in the wine. This is the tube. I'm going to attach one end to the bottler, put one end up here. It's kind of cold, so it's a little stiff. There we go, that's on there. And then I get my tray over here on the floor. This is the bottling tube. It's got a little thing that sticks out, and when it hits the bottom of the bottle, that pushes in and it fills. And then when you pick it up, that comes back out and it stops filling until you put it in another bottle. Okay, so that's all set up. Here we go. I always forget how fast it comes out. So I just have a bottle ready to go. This is taking longer than normal. Sometimes, oh, there's no wine. There we go. Try that again without spilling it. There we go. It's getting full, and I stop when it starts going up the neck, because when you take it out, it leaves a gap. And into the next bottle. And then over here, put the corker in, push down on the bottler, on the corker rather, pull down this handle, and there's the first bottle. I only got like 17 to go, or 16, 15, 16 something. I think I have a little extra wine this time for some reason, but not a whole bottle's worth. This bottle has a dimple in the middle So you have to move the bottle or to push down on that dimple or the bottle won't fill. A lot of the 750 milliliter bottles all have dimples if they're good bottles, but many of the 1.5 bottles don't, and I prefer the bigger bottles. I never understand the point of a 750 milliliter bottle of wine. It's like 3 or 4 glasses and you're done. All the bottles are finished, and the last one isn't quite all the way full. When I cover the bottles with a sealer that I put on them, I'll write a 1 on that bottle, and that'll be the first one we drink out of this batch. And I'll show you that sealing process in just a minute. Getting ready to do the PVZ shrink wrap on the bottles now. Turn on the heat. I took the grate off so I can get at the flame easier. These are the shrink wraps I'm putting on the bottles. They have a pull tab on the side, so when you're drinking you can just pull that around and it exposes the top part of the bottle to put your corkscrew in. You put it over the bottle like that, and then you just hold it over the flame and it melts on. You just keep turning it so it's not on one side. And there you go. That's it. Looks good. Here come the rest. That one got too hot. I've never had that happen before. Let me turn the flame off. Get that off of there. That's weird. Try that again. Here's the next one. Flame isn't up enough, I think. That's weird. What's going on here? Usually works right away. There we go. Flame wasn't up high enough.